she took measles and
Sure.
polio.
Where is her vaccine? It was this left arm and left thigh.
And then oral vitamin A.
Oral vitamin A. So thank you to the Dungundi Health Center. Dungundi Health Center. Ang bilis lang guys at hindi din masyadong daming tao dito kasi ang ganda kasi dito sa Iloilo kasi marami kasing mga barangay. Kaya siguro hindi masyado crowded if pupunta kayo ng barangay hall at ang ganda
Like the barangay hall is not full.
Yeah, it's first time namin na-experience na hindi masyadong tao at they have very big fan or if they don't have fan, they use aircon, no? Their barangay here is nice guys. So guys, it's nice here in Iloilo because they always it's just nice. It's really scam, no? So where you stop it? Click. Click. Oh, you only got one. Let me try. Oh, do it again last. You need to click it so that it will get free. Go click. Tara. Just hold it. Hide. So naghahanap kami ng sapatos or sandal ni Ira guys. Bili tayo ng bagong sandal ni Ira. So what's up guys? Nandito na naman kami sa Burger King na naman. Burger King na lang tayo para dito kasi paborito ni Ira. Palagi din kasi siyang naggugulay dun sa bahay kaya syempre burger na naman yung mga gusto niyang kainin dito kasi wala siyang ibang choice sa Philippines. At if makapunta siya ng Norway, marami din siyang choice. Excited din siya makakain ng maraming choice ulit. So ayun, hinihintay ko lang siya kasi siya na daw yung kuha ng order ko dun sa Jollibee. So para pagdating na dito, ready na din yung food. Onion ring is the best. Tulog pa si Ulia guys. Ulia is sleeping so thankfully we can eat properly. It's okay. Why? Because you see I have a Sunday. So, palabas na tayo guys. Siguro mag-grocery na muna tayo.
There is a 50% sale on June 12 to 16. We will be back.
So, see you dyan.
We'll buy
See you sa sale na lang guys kasi mas malaki din yung sales nila.
We'll try sa'yo.
Uwi na kami no at nakatulog na rin tayo kasi medyo napagod din tayo kanina. Hindi na kami naka-grocery guys kasi ayun, napagod tayo. Gusto nating matulog. Kaya ayun, nag-order na lang si Ira ng pagkain niya for tonight. So Filipina food. Pero ito yung may meat, hindi niya kakainin. Ito yung vegetables lang. Try it. Is it okay?
The reason
And halo-halo.
The reason I ordered from this one is because
Of the halo-halo.
yeah, I was craving halo-halo, and they have the best halo-halo that I've tried. Is the 2K eatery or 2K, something like that, in Haro. They have the best halo-halo that I've ever tried, so this is why I ordered.
Do you know in my gym, I see a very good halo-halo. He is just a food cart. He put ice cream on top. Two Coco's
really?
ice cream and then Obe. It's really good. You should try it. He is always there every lunch. I will bring you.
Yeah.
I'll bring you tomorrow.
It's really yummy.
What about this child? For thumbnail. So like you gotta